It's a girl.
Hi. What's up? It's Lee. You came to my channel, now subscribe to me. Hit that bell, drop a comment. Make sure you speak up like a huge summit. Like, share, watch my videos. They might get wild like a rodeo. I'm on the road to 1K subs. I'm giving you my all. Love and hug. Let's get it, y'all.
Yes, let's get it. We on the road. You came to my channel, now subscribe to me.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Specky, and I'm back with another video. Anyways, you guys, what's up? What's happening, you guys? AJ, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Yep, I go cook it and dust.
Okay. But anyways, you guys, if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell for post notifications, because I will be dropping videos back to back all week. Yes, I will. Yes, I will. Y'all, the reason why she's saying it, because I be like very busy and stuff, and like I be very tired. Like seriously, I be very tired. But like I said before, if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell for post notifications, because I will be dropping bangers back to back. Okay? And so, as y'all read by the title, in today's video, we're going to be making a vending machine. Yes, you guys, a vending machine. So, make sure, if it turns out right, this is going to be our first time making a vending machine, okay? So, make sure y'all hit this like button and give me 50 likes. Yes, 50 likes. Make sure y'all stay tuned in this video, and it's gonna be a very fun video, you guys. So stay tuned in this video, you guys. Okay, you guys, so here's the candy that I bought, and AJ, you gotta choose 3 different kinds of candy that you want to use in your own to use for your vending machine.
Okay,
so close your eyes as he says. Okay, so he says he want to use this. Okay. Starburst.
I thought I didn't like. I hate them. Okay, you can close. Let me.
And y'all, I have some more of these. I know this is open, but I have more of these.
Some more mini Starburst. Again? Yes.
Mini Starburst.
But I don't have one.
Okay.
Okay, that's one
Now, so these are the 3 kinds that he's going to use. We're going to put these to the side. Now,
good night.
Y'all, I don't have no regular cardboard box, so I just thought of some boxes in the house that we could use to make our vending machine.
And
but we're going to use like the, the inside of it. Okay, so let's get started. guys, so we just literally got finished. Like, we're officially done with the AJ's vending machine. So AJ, y'all ready to get some candy?
Yeah. I want this.
Okay.
I want this.
You gotta push
Okay,
it
that's
in.
enough.
Push it in.
I
Y'all,
want that.
it came out right, but some
Mama,
parts
it's not
are weak.
working.
And
I
like,
want
the
that.
candy just falling on out. Okay? What
Mama.
kind of candy you want? Do you want Mentos?
Mama, it's not working.
Mike and Ike?
Mama,
Starburst?
I want this one.
Hold on, AJ.
I want that.
That, okay. Here. Here, Kai. Look, them were just falling on out.
I already got the cups on them.
Okay. Now you gotta push it, Kai.
Mama, it's not
Push
doing
this.
it.
Hold on.
I know.
Push it in, Naya. You probably gotta pull the back of the back. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, there it goes. Y'all, we tried. Y'all, we tried to put some what's some nerds?
Give me
But
some.
then
Give me
It
some.
wouldn't come out right. It didn't work. Nah, it's all on 3 in there. Oh, yeah. Ain't no more of that kind. Here, what other kind of candy you want?
This one.
Gummy candy? Okay. Let's get you some gummy candy.
Mama, it's not working.
Now you gotta,
You got nerve. Please give me
you gotta
some.
pour that one. Look at Nia. She got her some candy. Look at AJ. Got a cup full. Come on, let me help Kai. Okay.
I like the mirror. Stop us whistling.
There it goes. Coming out.
Stop it. Okay, I want
Okay.
gummies now.
Kai got some gummies. Look at the Mike and Ike came on out.
Naya.
Look, here it is, right here. Kyla, here got you some. Here, Kyla.
Stop, what are you doing? The mic
Y'all candy everywhere.
That's my turn.
Look, you guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up. Because we tried. Well, I tried. I don't want to do all the work. It took, what, 2-3 hours just to do that?
I have you.
No, I guess they got bored and they got up and just let me do all the work. So I had to build the vending machine on my own.
I have
But-
you record.
Well, not really. But like I said, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up. And make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And welcome to the family. Anyways, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. And I will be coming back with bangers. Thank you so much for watching. Y'all done dropped the camera. Peace.